Somewhere in the Pacific, a U.S. aircraft carrier patrols international waters carrying weapons so advanced they strike before any warning can be raised. Deployed in 2025, these hidden systems are operational now, and they're reshaping naval warfare forever. Number 5. AIM-174B Gunslinger. Let's start with a weapon that didn't even exist 3 years ago, the AIM-174B, nicknamed Gunslinger. And that name isn't just for show. This missile is the longest-range air-to-air weapon ever carried by an American fighter, reaching over 300 miles, 3 times farther than the standard missiles on F-35s and F-22s. Here's what makes it terrifying. The AIM-174B is based on the Navy's SM-6, a ship-launched missile protecting destroyers for years. The Navy removed the booster, modified it, and now F/A-18 Super Hornets can carry it under their wings. A single fighter can launch it from 300 miles away and take out enemy aircraft before they even approach the carrier. The missile first appeared publicly during RIMPAC exercises in July 2024, with Super Hornets from the US Carl Vinson carrying 2 of these massive missiles. Initially assumed to be a test, the Navy confirmed it. The AIM-174B is fully operational, deployed with Carrier Air Wing 5 in Japan, just a few hundred miles from the Taiwan Strait. Why does this matter? China has long-range missiles like the PL-15 and PL-17 to threaten American carriers. The AIM-174B more than doubles their range, allowing U.S. pilots to shoot down Chinese surveillance and early warning aircraft before fighters can even engage. Without those support planes, China's air defense network collapses. It's not just air-to-air. The AIM-174B can hit ships and ground targets, carries a 140lb warhead 3 times bigger than standard, and reaches Mach 3.5, making it nearly impossible to intercept. New variants may even take down hypersonic missiles. Most importantly, this missile doesn't just protect the carrier, it transforms the battlefield. Enemy forces can no longer hide behind long-range defenses. American fighters can strike from distances they never imagined possible. This is a true game-changer. Number 4. Evolved Sea Sparrow Missile Block 2. Next is a weapon that doesn't get much attention but is absolutely vital. The Evolved Sea Sparrow Missile, or ESSM Block 2. This medium-range missile handles threats that are still too far out for the RIM-116 to engage. The ESSM Block 2 reaches about 30 miles and can intercept cruise missiles, aircraft, and drones with ease. What sets Block 2 apart is its active radar guidance. Unlike older versions, it doesn't rely on the ship's radar all the way to the target. That allows a carrier to launch multiple missiles at different threats without overloading its systems. Carriers carry Mk-29 launchers, each holding 8 ESSMs. Strategically placed around the ship, they provide 360-degree coverage. If an incoming missile flies low over the waves, the ESSM drops into sea-skimming mode, intercepting the threat just feet above the water. This counters modern Russian and Chinese cruise missiles designed to avoid detection. Since entering service in 2020, the ESSM Block 2 has been deployed across the NATO alliance. American carriers can integrate with Allied ships, sharing missile defense data in real time. If a European destroyer spots a threat, it can relay that info to the carrier, which can fire an ESSM before the enemy even gets close. This kind of interoperability is a massive advantage our enemies simply don't have. China and Russia operate in isolation, lacking both the technology and the trust to coordinate across multiple platforms. In live fire tests, the ESSM Block 2 has achieved near-perfect results, hitting 29 out of 30 targets. When defending a $13 billion aircraft carrier with 5,000 sailors aboard, reliability isn't just important, it's essential. And that's exactly what this missile delivers, silently guarding the fleet from threats far beyond the horizon. Number 3. RIM-116 Rolling Airframe Missile. Now, let's talk defense. No matter how powerful your offensive weapons are, protecting the carrier itself is critical. That's where the RIM-116 Rolling Airframe Missile comes in. It's the carrier's last line of defense against incoming threats and one of the most effective point defense systems ever built. Every U.S. aircraft carrier, from the Nimitz class to the new Gerald R. Ford, carries at least 2 Mk-49 launchers, each holding 21 RIM-116 missiles. They're small, lightweight, and incredibly fast, but their effectiveness comes from how they operate. The RIM-116 uses dual-mode guidance. First, it locks onto radio signals from incoming missiles. Most anti-ship missiles emit radar to track targets. Then, in the final seconds before impact, it switches to infrared guidance. Even if an enemy tries to jam it, the missile finds its mark. Its rolling flight gives the missile its name. The spin allows for a simpler, lighter guidance system, making it faster and cheaper to produce, but don't underestimate it. This missile is lethal. Recent operations in the Red Sea saw Navy ships with RIM-116s shoot down multiple Houthi drones and cruise missiles. The U.S. Abraham Lincoln fired several in the Pacific last year during live drills. They work. Every time. Carriers also rely on the Phalanx close-in weapon system, a radar-guided Gatling gun firing 20 mm rounds at 4,500 per minute. Together, these systems create a defensive bubble almost impossible to penetrate. The Navy is now upgrading destroyers to replace older systems with more RIM-116 launchers, underscoring their effectiveness. When facing supersonic anti-ship missiles at Mach 2, you want the RIM-116 on your side. Sailors train relentlessly with these systems, simulations, drills, and live fire, ensuring carriers remain untouchable. That discipline is why no enemy has ever sunk a U.S. aircraft carrier in combat. Before we reveal the next weapon, hit subscribe so you don't miss hidden military secrets. Number 2. F-35C Lightning II with LRASM. Next, let's talk about a weapon that takes carrier-based air power to another level. The F-35C Lightning II. You may know the F-35, but the C model is built specifically for aircraft carriers. Bigger wings, reinforced landing gear, and a tailhook designed for repeated carrier landings make it perfect for naval operations. But its true power isn't the plane itself. It's what it carries. In 2025, the Navy finished testing the AIM-174B LRASM, long-range anti-ship missile. This stealth cruise missile can sink enemy warships from over 200 miles away. The F-35C can carry two externally or house them inside its weapons bay when stealth is critical. Why does this matter? The LRASM doesn't rely on GPS. Infrared sensors and an onboard computer let it find enemy ships even amid electronic warfare. Signal jamming doesn't stop it, and launched from a stealth fighter, the enemy rarely knows it's coming until it's too late. During the Talisman Sabre exercises in July 2025, the U.S. George Washington deployed F-35Cs carrying LRASMs in a live demonstration with allies Australia, the UK, and Japan. American stealth fighters hunted and destroyed surface targets without ever being detected. The F-35C isn't just a bomber, it's a sensor platform. Its radar and infrared systems detect enemy aircraft and ships long before they know the F-35 is there, sharing that data with other fighters, destroyers, and missiles in flight. This sensor fusion turns every F-35 into a battle manager. China knows this. They're developing stealth fighters to keep up, but they're years behind. Already operational on 3 U.S. carriers, the US Carl Vinson, US Abraham Lincoln, and US George Washington, the F-35C dominates the Pacific. Upgrades in 2026 will let it carry 6 air-to-air missiles internally instead of 4, increasing firepower by 50% without losing stealth. The enemies of freedom have every reason to be worried. Number 1. FA-18EF Super Hornet Block 3. Finally, let's talk about the workhorse of carrier aviation, the FA-18EF Super Hornet. This jet has powered Navy air operations for over 20 years, but the Block 3 version flying today is a completely upgraded aircraft, with technology rivaling 5th-generation fighters. The Block 3 Super Hornet features an advanced cockpit display, upgraded radar, extended-range fuel tanks, and a reduced radar signature. Yet its true power comes from its weapons. In addition to the AIM-174B Gunslinger, it can carry AIM-120D AMRAAM missiles, AIM-9X Sidewinders, and the stealthy Joint Strike Missile. The AIM-120D strikes over 100 miles away, updating targets mid-flight via advanced data links. The AIM-9X is ultra-maneuverable, tracking targets even behind the launching aircraft. The Joint Strike Missile hits ships and ground targets from more than 180 miles away, all while remaining stealthy. What makes the Super Hornet invaluable is versatility. It performs air-to-air combat, close air support, electronic warfare, and even aerial refueling. Some Block 3 jets are configured as tankers, extending the range of F-35s and other Super Hornets, keeping America's air power on station longer. In 2025, the Navy took delivery of 191 new F-35s, but the Super Hornet remains essential. Block 3 models are expected to fly well into the 2040s because they work. They're reliable, proven in combat, and pilots trust them. During recent operations in the Red Sea, Super Hornets from the U.S. Dwight D. Eisenhower logged over 15,000 combat hours without loss, shooting down Houthi drones, striking ground targets, and providing air cover for Allied ships. The Super Hornet is only getting stronger. New conformal fuel tanks will extend range by 30%, advanced electronic warfare pods improve detection and jamming, and integration with MQ-25 Stingray drone refuelers allows operations hundreds of miles farther from the carrier. America's enemies watch this progress and know they can't keep up. Decades ahead in capability, the Super Hornet remains unstoppable. These are 5 weapons fully operational on U.S. aircraft carriers today. The AIM-174B Gunslinger reaches 300 miles. The F-35C Lightning II carries stealth cruise missiles. The RIM-116 Rolling Airframe Missile intercepts incoming threats. The ESSM Block 2 provides layered defense, and the Super Hornet Block 3 remains the most versatile fighter jet on the planet. These aren't prototypes or concepts. They're real systems, deployed on real carriers, operating in active combat zones. U.S. Navy sailors train relentlessly, preparing to execute flawlessly when called upon. China and Russia may build carriers or make threats, but they lack the combination of technology, skill, and experience that keeps America's carriers unmatched. If you've found this valuable, hit like and subscribe for more military tech and defense updates. We explain the latest in military technology, defense strategies, and everything that keeps America strong. Comment your thoughts and stay proud, informed, and inspired.